Hey guys, Dan here, Sterling Self Defense and Badger. All right, got another truck carbine going out. Got the new XL power bolt in there, power block, sorry, with the full VKS internals, the XL bolt. Got a 12-inch 686 SSD barrel, mock suppressor, UTG foregrip. You get it. 10 CI tank, clamp on, stock. All right, let's get some numbers. I'm gonna load a mag. Dig up some jewels here. All right, got 1,000 PSI in the tank. Glasses on. Guys, a little bit closer. I'm gonna reach out for the numbers. All right, here we go. First shot. 484. 480. 484. 482. 534. Ah, that was loud. All right, you guys get the point. She's a monster. Nice build. Very comfortable. Good size. Put a longer barrel in here too, because actually the barrel end's right about here. It's got an inserted mock suppressor. I just always kind of like that look. And you got that special ops look on there. That's it. Another truck carbine going out. All right, guys, that's it for me and Badger. See you on the next one. Stay safe.